Good morning, this is Badri from RSoft. Today, we are going to see the real estate CRM software powered with AI technology demonstration. In RSoft, we are providing real estate CRM software for the past 15 years. It's been used by 500 plus developers and 5,000 plus users across the world. So RSoft is a real estate CRM provider which provides real estate lead management system, real estate CRM, real estate ERP, all powered with the latest AI technology. Today, we're going to see how RSoft system can 200% increase your site visits and 300% increase your bookings. So RSoft has a legacy since 1963. So we are here in Indian market for the past 15 years. Our specialty, we are one of the leading real estate solution provider, which no real estate software can provide as of now. Let's get into the demo. So this is RSoft dashboard where you can see new leads, re-engage leads, and today's follow. And assume this is your website. Any one of your customer is giving you an inquiry. So for example, I have given my details as a customer. So I'm going to show you how the executive will receive these details from your website. The same goes to also. So I'm just filling up my details and clicking on book a site visit now. So it takes just a couple of seconds so that it passes the information into your website through API. So as soon as I click on the submit button, as a customer, I receive a WhatsApp notification. You can see, dear customer, greetings from Tree, and this kind of WhatsApp messages are completely customizable. And you can see like we have given with the button. Either customer can directly contact for site visit and they can call for more details. And also they receive an email as soon as, so you can see the email. So in every stage of the journey with the customer, we can send email, WhatsApp, SMS, and the latest RCS also. So let us see how the lead is reflecting into the executive dashboard. Assume Rajesh is the executive who is going to handle my lead. So he will get a notification. As soon as my lead is there, he will get a notification. And the lead will sit into the respective bucket. As my data is new, so it is sitting in the new information, new lead information. If I have already inquired, then it will sit into the re-engaged information. So I'm just clicking on new leads as soon as I come in for the day. So I'm going to see the data of my customers. So assume Badri is a customer. So you can see the complete details, whatever I have given here. So you can see I have inquired for the gold mine project, location is Chennai. So entire details are displayed to the executive, including the lead source and lead medium. So the unique functionality what we have given is the opt-in permission. By default, all the leads received via online and a website will have yes. So in case if your customer is feeling disturbed and don't want to communicate in all the channels, you can disable no. So all the notifications will go only with the specified channel where it has yes. If you change something as no, it will not go. For example, I'm changing no for SMS. So customer will not receive any SMS updates hereafter. So he will receive WhatsApp and email opt-in. So this is very useful for today's opt-in policies as per the TROI regulations. I have received the lead. Now I have to call the customer. So RSoft has an inbuilt telephone technology where you log in here and automatically you can make a call to the customer. So assume like this is the button. So this is the number I'm going to call. I will receive a call here. So customer is being contacted. So I'm receiving the call in my mobile. Hello, mic check, ready, 1, 2, 3. This is the demonstration system. So I have spoken to the customer. The call is being ended. So I close the phone dialer. So you can type in the comments here, or we have a very unique functionality called quick action. So within single second, you can change whatever you want. And tomorrow, 11 a.m. So the system going to send you a notification at 10:45 and it's going to remind you by 10:45 to call this customer. What you have done is good job. Okay, so you have followed up the lead, you have updated the right status, you have updated the right follow-up comment. Here is the updates. You can see whatever happened inside the system and whatever actions you have done from your part from the day one of the lead comes in. So you can see what are the email, what are the SMS, what are the WhatsApp messages are sent, and what are the actions you have taken. So everything is completely recorded in the updates module. Enquiry module is the module where you can see how many times the customer inquired from the source. So now I'm going to show you how this inquiry module works. Assume I'm again working out from 99 acres. So with the same mobile number, and I'm just going to click on. So the information has been provided. Now you can see, so it clearly says, again the customer inquired from gold mine 99 acres and online, and the inquiry status is duplicate. I'm going to show you how your dashboard is going to look like. So earlier it was 114 leads, so I followed up the customer, so it became 130. Earlier the re-engaged was 11, now I have inquired again, so it becomes 12. So I'm following up again so that the re-engaged becomes 0. So now the re-engaged becomes 11 because I have spoken to the customer. Automatically system understands with the AI technology that I have spoken. So now in the single page, you will be able to see all the information related to the customer. So remember, I spoke a call, and in the calls module, the call recording will be attached, and you can listen to the call recording as well.
Hello. My check ready monitoring. This is the demonstration system.
It's a very simple interface for the users to handle their task effectively. So you can see the email which was sent as soon as I received. I showed you, right? So how many times I opened the email? So let me try to open up one more time. You can see how it works. We have an AI tracking mechanism. So this is the third time I'm opening up the email. So if you refresh, you will be able to see how many times I have opened up the email. So you can see the access count as 3. So chats module is nothing but the WhatsApp. So whatever WhatsApp message has been sent to the customer, you can see the entire messages here. So in this area, you will be able to see whatever message the customer has given. Okay. So you can also see the reply of the customer here. So I followed up a customer. So he is coming up for a site visit. The next action. So customer has completed the site visit. So site visit completed. So you have to mark in a date. You can see this field was not there. Now you can see this field is there. So site visit completed, you need to mark the date. You cannot mark future date for security reasons. As soon as a customer completes a site visit, you see what happens. So again, the customer receives a WhatsApp message. This is the WhatsApp. So greetings from Urban Tree. Thank you for visiting our site, and this is a feedback form. So when you click on the feedback form, so you can rate the property. This feedback system is very crucial for any developers, because customer may not be comfortably saying what exactly they like and what exactly they need. If you have a feedback system, out of 10, 8 customers are tend to answer your questions, and you can take decisions based on this. So I'm highly satisfied. Yes. So these questions are completely customizable as per your company. So the feedback form has been submitted. Now you're going to see how the feedback is showing up in the system. Now you have the feedback ready. So customer has given a 10 rating, and you can see they have provided the feedback. Based on the feedback, they get you can get updated with the customer. So how the system works. This is a very unique technology using AI. We have done this. So the feedback will go in email, the feedback will go in WhatsApp. So the chances of receiving the customer feedback is really, really high. So now let's see what happens when you put a lost lead. So lost lead, you have to mark any of these reasons. Without these reasons, you will not be able to save the lead. So this is very important information where you can pass this information to the marketing team. So, and you need to type in a detailed description. Customer lead was junk. So this information is completely crucial. So when you put a lost lead, you have to remove the follow-up date and you can save it so that it will not appear in your follow-up in the future. So now you can see, like, even for a lost lead, you have a message. This is just for a confirmation. Even out of 10 lost lead, if you get 2 valid customers also, it will be great. So lost lead also, in every possible status, you can define whatever message it should go from your WhatsApp, your email address to the customer. So this is a universally used technology. Indian real estate businesses can easily leverage this technology and take your business automation to the next level. So in every possible way, you get the notification in your smartwatch, you get notified everything in a single screen. Now you know how the RSoft CRM really works. So for example, if you don't purchase an IVR with RSoft, what happens is, like, when you click to call here, automatically from the web, your mobile system where you have installed the app, the call gets triggered. IVR, we use the latest IVR technology where you have complete clarity. You can dial in the numbers, you can click to call, everything in a single screen. You need not to depend on any other vendor. And our IVR uses AI technology. For example, if a lead is assigned to Rajesh, the next time customer calls, it will again assign to Rajesh. In real estate, we don't want any confusions by passing the lead to another person. So our AI technology really works to integrate seamlessly with the leads and the system, and it will pass the call to the same person. If it is missed, it will notify his supervisor that he has missed a call. So again, we have the latest WhatsApp technology where you can trigger whatever scenario you want, whatever message you want, with the videos, with the brochures, with the PDF, with the images, with the buttons, everything you can trigger automatically from the system, and you can monitor the same what's happening inside the system, inside the software itself. You need not to have any other software separately for that. So everything is an add-on, but still you have everything handy in one place. So whatever scenario you want, for example, lead not attempted, lead lost, lead follow-up, every scenario you can set up an WhatsApp message, email, and also SMS. We are working on the RCS technology. Soon it will be incorporated. So in this area, I'm going to show the same thing in the mobile app as well. So RSoft has the flexibility to use in web, Android, mobile, and also web live. So currently I'm going to show how your team is going to access via mobile app. So this is the mobile app where you can install from RSoft CRM, Android and iOS Play Store. So I'm using the same username and password to log into the web system. So the same dashboard, whatever I saw in the system, will be visible in this mobile app as well. So I can follow from here. It is very, very easy follow. So for example, let me open up my lead. So this is the lead. So you can see here. From the mobile app, you can create lead, you can follow up on lead, and you can put comments, and same quick action is applicable in the mobile app as well. So you can see whatever comments I have typed, you can see here, same here. Calls, whatever calls I made, everything is possible, and all the updates and inquiries, everything is here. So this mobile app is completely user-friendly. So you can click to call, instead of dialing the number, you can click here and make call, and you can send WhatsApp templates also. So it's a default WhatsApp template. It's very easy. Single click, you can send SMS, WhatsApp, email, and calls from your mobile app. If you swipe right, immediately the call goes. If you swipe left, immediately the WhatsApp message. That simple the mobile app is, and it is also very, very powerful. So you can see a button here in the mobile app. For example, if you want to see this particular record to be pushed to the web application, you can click on here. This is a very unique technology where you have the web application. From the mobile app, you can push that record and this opens up like here. The same way you have a push to app button. So this web app is very, very simple, very, very useful and very, very effective. And your team can mark your attendance from here and the geolocation also gets captured. So they can mark break start, break end as well. Every time the location gets captured and you will be notified as your supervisor. So we have an auto dialer functionality as well. I will post a video on the same. AI-based auto dialer, which is going to be the trendsetter of real estate calling system. So this is a very new technology which has been introduced first in India by RSoft. For example, if your telecallers are making 150 to 200 calls per day, without any additional effort, they will be effortlessly make 250 to 300 calls a day using this auto dialer. So more calls means more site visits. More site visits means more bookings. So now we are going to see how this auto dialer works so that you can understand what I mean. So first, if I have more calls, I can use this auto dialer. For example, today I have 113 new leads. To call this, it will be a difficult task to dial one by one number and back to back. So what I'm doing is, I'm going to use the auto dialer and show you how easy, like a cakewalk, I'm doing 113 calls. So first, I'm clicking on the new leads. So now I see the list of calls I'm supposed to make. So in the bottom right corner, I have an AI auto dialer icon. So this is an add-on product from RSoft. You will be able to purchase it and use the auto dialers. There are two types of auto dialer. One is just with the call log. Another one is call recording. Only in Samsung phones or non-Google dialer phones, currently the call recording is available. To start the call through AI, click on the AI button in the bottom right corner. So I have clicked on the AI button. Now the list is being loaded into the queue. So what I'm going to do, I have two options. Either I can start from the middle in case if I'm coming from a break. So or I can start from the top. From the top, I can dial the call. So first call I'm going to dial. So I have disconnected the call because it's the demo system. So likewise, your telecaller can dial the call and update the status. In this blue pop-up, you can see like whom you're dialing and whatever the comments you have already spoken, you will be able to see. And in the bottom left corner, you can see who is going to be dialed next and how many calls I have remaining. So after I speak with the customer, I can click on the update button. So this auto dialer really goes well with Bluetooth headsets. So if you're buying a very good noise cancellation headsets like OnePlus and Samsung phone, more than a computer, this AI-based auto dialer will give you very, very productive results. Almost 5,000 plus telecallers are using this auto dialer and seamlessly, effortlessly handling their calls, and they're very happy about using the system. So I have completed the call. Now I should update and then only the next call will be triggered. So I can change. This is a follow-up and I can change for tomorrow. So now I'm not going to type the comments. Instead, I can use my voice and type the comment. Customer is busy at the moment, so he said he will call me back. So this is the power of AI. Now, while I'm on the auto dialer, I will be able to send WhatsApp message to a customer using a single template, and I can do by WhatsApp Business API, or I can use my mobile WhatsApp also. So I can send an SMS and I can send an email as well. So these are the basic requirements on time-consuming options for each and every telecaller. So we have given it in a very handy way. So once you complete the call, there are 3 options in the bottom. Either I can submit a next call, or I can redial this customer, or I can submit and stop. If I am going for a break, I can do submit and stop, or I can click on submit and next call. I'm going to show you one more time how this RDial works. You can show up whatever the fields you like and your telecaller like in the top. The 5 fields are completely dynamic, and comments completely will show. And as you see, like I have made the second call and it is showing like 89 calls are remaining. So likewise, you can fire the calls back to back. So this is the new technology. Please use the power of AI and give the comfort of your telecaller to give more results. So this RSoft is very, very affordable. Please contact your sales manager for your RDialer today. And we do have trial options as well. So you can try out the product. In case if you are happy, you can purchase the RDialer. So for administrative purpose, I'm going to demonstrate few features. For example, if you are an admin, you can import the lead. You have to have the lead in the CSV format, so through which you can import up to 1000 leads in a single shot. And during the import, you can choose multiple people and the system automatically assigns the record to each and every executive. For example, you have 5 people and you have 500 leads. So during the import, you can choose what are the 5 people you wanted to assign the lead. The system automatically assigns the lead. For example, you want to give any particular lead to another person, you can do that as well. So you can click on the detail and you can click on the assign to, and you can pass it to your colleague. If you're busy or something, you wanted to feel like, for example, for language issue. So if you're not comfortable with the language which customer prefers, you can pass on this lead to the colleague and they will be able to take it from there. And we do have standard reports. Each and every module will have a standard reports. And if you want to customize report also, that is also possible. So we have 2 types of report. One is detailed report and summary report. Detailed reports will look like this. And we can set up an automatic report format every day at whatever time you want in your email as well. You need not to come here and take up the report. Automatically you will receive the report in your email. These are called detailed report with the complete details of the record. This is called summary report. We have around 25 reports. All the basic reports for a real estate organization will be covered up here. In case if you want more reports also, you can easily customize by creating new reports. So your team is going to work really very peacefully. For example, if any telecaller, their job is to clear new leads, re-engage leads, today's follow, and make it to 0. If they are doing that for the day, they have done their best job. As a team leader or a supervisor, the same goes to you as well. For example, you have 100 new leads for your team, 50 re-engaged leads for your team. You have to make it as 0. So only 3 things you have to follow. 3 things must be 0. In case if you're going for a lead, then missed follow-up has to be 0. So very simple system. In the system, you can see how many leads come today, what are the weekly site visit, monthly site visit, total site visit, booking. All details are available in the system. And you have a filter to filter each and executive wise also and date wise also. You can use a filter. So very simple system. It's been used by 500 plus developers for the past 10 years successfully. And it's very, very productive system as well. A few companies, they started with 2 people. Now they have around 200 plus people using our system for 7 long years. So let me see what exactly happens if the customer wanted to provide a cost sheet. So customer has visited the site. So they have seen the executive. So they can prepare a cost sheet as well. So in this cost sheet area where you have, I'm just giving the basic details. For example, the system will know how much what was the price you have given earlier for the customer. For example, Badri, first you have given 10 lakhs and again you have revised to 5 lakhs. You have the complete control over it. So this is the cost sheet format. It is completely customizable as per your requirement. So you can file up for Badri how many times you have given the cost sheet. First time what price you have given and last time what you have price given, everything. And you can download this and send this cost sheet in the PDF format also. So you can see here how many times you have given the cost sheet. So same thing. Okay. And you have an option for the project and unique details. You can see this is a centralized availability system. For example, you have 3 different projects, excellence, and you wanted to check whether the plot number 10 is available. So you can type yes, it is available. You wanted to check if the plot number 11 is available. So before taking up the booking, you will be able to take up the booking details, whether you can check whether the particular unit is available or not, with which you will be able to interact more easily with the customer. This is a completely centralized availability and we have options for blocking, booking and registrations as well. So for example, if a customer wants to block that particular unit for 3 days, automatically we have a blocking facility where the executive can block the particular unit for 3 days with the customer details and manager can approve the same, and after 3 days the system automatically makes it available in case if the customer is not booking. If the customer is booking, automatically that gets into the booking form. So this is called the centralized availability and management system. So in the pre-sales module, you get calls, inquiry, leads as well. So in the sales module, you get cost sheet, project, unit details, bookings, payments as well. So tickets module, it is for after sales. For example, Badri has booked a property with you and he wants some changes in the property, that can be raised as a ticket and that can be followed up till it gets closed. Customer will get notification till their tickets are getting completed. So in the visitor module, you can track all the people who are visiting your office. For example, if a customer is visiting, that is fine. You can choose which customer visited your office today and whether they have made a phone call, courier or walk-in. So this is a reporting system for your front office receptionist. As a business owner, you may not be available in the office and you wanted to know what's happening around your office. So every time they have to enter whatever interaction they have with customers, vendors and everyone, and every day end up 7 o'clock you get a report whomever visited and whatever the courier received. And this is a completely dynamic dashboard. You can integrate whatever modules you want here. And you can see how many calls you received, inbound, outbound, how many executives call you in. The same way you can filter with users. And you have an option for widgets. So this is a completely customizable widgets. We can have whatever source-wise, executive-wise, everything you have. And you can set up the targets for your employees and you can see whether they are meeting it or not. So from capturing the inquiry till handling the customer tickets, the entire real estate system has been automated. And apart from that, you can provide cost sheet, you can block your plot, and online booking form also available with us. So we have a very unique technology where the customer can fill in all the basic information in the booking form. In the booking form like this, we will have a booking form, and in that booking form, customer can fill in all the information what they want with the documents what they want, and that will appear here in the booking module. So all this information can be collected in a single shot. So once all the information appears here, if you approve the booking, customer will get a login details. For example, Badri has booked up the property number 10. Automatically, he get a login details for iOS, Android mobile app in your company name. So whenever, whatever details you change here, whatever the booking details you booked, everything will be visible to the company. everything will be visible to the customer, and he can raise up his tickets from his mobile app and so. So this will give more transparency to your customers, and this will add up the brand value to your business. So as a user, this is a very, very effective system. As a supervisor or a business owner, you can monitor from inquiry till possession in a single screen and in the single software, and it is integrated with everything. I have demonstrated what are the possible options in the RSoft CRM, and we do work on customized requirements as well. For example, if your company demands any specific requirements, our software is completely configurable, and we work on 10 to 20 features every month. So this video, I'm going to show you about an overview of the comparison for real estate CRM in the market. Yes, so we are the first and best cloud CRM for real estate, and we have an AI-based integrated IVR, WhatsApp, email, chatbot, feedback form. I have shown the demo of everything. Maybe you want to go through one more time, you can go through one more time. So this system, whatever promise we give, we have an auto dialer for 200% more site visits without any additional effort. I will attach the video along with this demonstration. So we have a very unique AI-based inbuilt CP management system. Let me explain about the channel partner management system. We have channel partner onboarding in 2 minutes. For example, if any channel partner wanted to onboard into your company, you can onboard him within 2 minutes. The same way, if a channel partner fills up his form, automatically it will appear in a system with all the documents required. The CP manager has to approve his login, and within 2 minutes he will get his login in email, WhatsApp as well as SMS. So the 3rd minute he can pass on inquiries for your system. So he can comfortably work in mobile app, he can work in web, and he can get notification of whatever leads he has passed, and it's completely transparent system. So a lot of companies are using 500 plus CPs in each and every system. For example, Urban Tree is using our CP system for more than 5 years with 500 plus users in their company. Lifestyle is using for more than 4 years with 300 plus CPs managing seamlessly. So within 1 second, if an inquiry is passed by CP, will be validated whether it is an accepted or duplicate based on the SOP of that particular company. Every company will operate in different SOP. We align that SOP and deliver the system as per your company requirement. So the only software we have is pre-sales, sales, after sales, and end-to-end real estate automation. So online booking form we have integrated and inbuilt, and we have mobile login for app for our customers, end users, supervisors. Everyone can access from mobile app, web, Android, iOS. So we have 25 plus of experience of this domain, which is real estate, and we have delivered 100% project success ratio. And we offer world-class support system in English, Tamil, and also in Hindi. So if you're having any questions in this demo, we can fix up a personalized demo with our offices, and you can go live within 2 days. So if you confirm that you are going to take up the software, within 2 days you can go live, and we are always 365 days here to support you. And we do have trial options. Please first try the trial options, and if you're okay, you can go with that. So our pricings, affordable pricings, which is nowhere in the market, which is starting from $599 per user per month billed annually, but the minimum users will be 3 users. So these are the unique functionalities. I have taken time to give you a complete clear picture about the market standard. Yes, our software is having customizable options as well. So if you need very customizable options, we can work on it based on your requirement. So we have hosted our data in the Asia's safest data center, which is IOTA. So we have our own infrastructures based on our parent company in UK. We always maintain the data. We don't depend on any vendor. We maintain our own data and host in the safest data center possible. So we add up 10 to 20 new real estate oriented features updates in every week or two web and mobile apps. So all your inputs are being heard, and we, honestly speaking, based on customer inputs only, we are here now. So we give every week or 2 weeks once updates real estate oriented features in all the possible apps. As it is completely cloud, you will not have any impact in the updates, and you will be able to enjoy all the new features every month we are adding up. If you feel like this feature will add value to all real estate business, please email us. We will be able to add up the feature in coming versions if it is in our project road. So project launch support, which nobody else giving and RSoft is giving. For example, recently we have provided launch support to VR Foundations. They got 25,000 leads. So launch support in the sense in every possible way. Launch support they do in a massive campaign like 5 crore, 6 crore campaign. They receive massive calls and they wanted to automate the entire launch process, because 25,000 calls they will have limited people to handle that. So, but the same, they have to serve the customers as well. So we automate in every possible way and make the customers come directly to the site with WhatsApp, email, SMS, automated calls, all kinds of support we are providing to launch your project grand manner. So we are the only person who's providing NDA agreement for support, service and data, and we follow strictly the GDPR international data security policies. As you know, like we have around 25 years of experience in the industry, we follow the best practices and industry standards to meet your needs. So we are the only company who has provided real estate verticals, in-depth verticals, different 10 plus verticals inside the real estate, and we have served all the customers. So our knowledge towards the real estate is comparatively high compared to all CRMs or all companies. So our parent company is UK based, and Indian presence we have around 15 years. As I said, RSoft is an all-in-one real estate lead management system, CRM, ERP. So everything is in one, and you have mobile apps, auto dialer, IVR, chatbot, WhatsApp, survey form. All you need to improve your real estate sales to 300% and site visit to 200% in a single screen. You can always call this number for a free trial, 842-803-1234, and you can visit our website, Realtors Robo, and you can sign up a trial form there, and you can check how the system is. And if you're happy, you can onboard. Definitely, I feel like we have done our best for the past 15 years in the industry, listening to you. So this software will take your business to a world-class level. Thank you so much for your great time. It was indeed pleasure talking to you all, and I wish you all the best in your real estate journey, and I will update you all the new features coming along my way. This is Badri signing off from you. This is Badri once again from RSoft. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.